Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in that wonderful little town of Belfair, Washington, Hickville, USA as I love to call it. So welcome to my channel everybody. So this is my July 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 24 everybody. And I have a sample for you because I could not resist. Making sure I could do what I wanted to do with this card. It is a simple one, but it is using one of my very favorite all-time stamp sets. And thanks to Lori, I have it again. So without further ado, let's get into this this video. So this kit is called Sweeter With You. It's a little different as you can make 8 cards instead of 9, but you get to have 4 designs instead of 3. The envelopes are all the same, so you could make 2, 2, 2, 2, and the envelopes, of course, are all the same. On the back, as always, this QR code would lead you to a video that would show you how to put those cards together as they were designed. You will not see any of those on my channel. Sorry, I love to do my own thing. Down here, there is, I need to tell you, this is a typo. It says contains supplies for 9 cards, 9 envelopes. It contains supplies for 8 cards in 8 envelopes. Down here it lists those coordinating colors. Now videos 1 through 5, I show you everything that comes in the kit. After that, we just kind of mosey along. This one down here would lead you to a set of 9 dies called Circle of Season dies. They will coordinate with July, August, and September's Paper Pumpkin Kit. And the kit stamps are Hello Friend, Life is Sweeter With You, Thank You, You're the Best, Love You Lots, the 2 flowers, and of course the strawberry. Today we'll be using the Thank You and You're the Best as they go together with A Little Birdie Told You. Yes, that is the stamps that we are bringing in. There's a few others thrown in here. But a little birdie told me, not a little birdie told you, a little birdie told me, and a little birdie is telling Lori, thank you, thank you, thank you, because I absolutely love this. And this is a thank you card. So without further ado, let me also show you, I got these dies at the thrift store. These are circle dies. I got these at the thrift store for, they were in here, $2.75. They didn't have a name on them, but they were with these. And they're a stitched circle die, which I didn't have stitched circle dies. Not that I needed any. But what was great about them is they have these already die cut. And so I was looking to see if this would work, and they worked. So I pulled them out of there. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm using those. Lickety split, they work. So let me show you the card. Can you see that a cutie little birdie? Yeah, a little birdie told me, you're the best. We open it up and thank you. Isn't that a sweet little card? I know. And we have the thanks. Now this is not from the stamp set. That's an extra stamp that was in the box that came with the stamp set. So I used it too. So without going any farther, let's get into this card. So this is a note card. Let me get some. Where's the hand sanitizer? We really don't need this right now, but I do want some hand sanitizer because I was wiping the red rubber stamp off with my finger. I'm using some of that fruit salad. You can see I already fussy cut one little bird, but I'm going to show you how I did the first one. So card base is 4 7/8. I haven't even glued that on. I just have the pieces of everything in here. 4 7/8 by 7 scored at 3.5. That's our card base. Layer number 1 is 3.5 by 4 7/8. This is 1/2 of the card base. Now I did not waste none of this but this little tiny square. This is what was wasted on the half of the card base because this other part of the card base is going on the inside. This piece down here, so it went like this. This is just the other piece. This piece is here, right? This piece is going to be flipped over and we're going to stamp You're the Best on this piece. This piece, these are going to go in the garbage. Sorry, don't need those. this piece is going to get glued down. This, of course, is going to get turned to be landscape. Let me show you. So this is 1/2 of the card base. The only piece that I am scrapping is that little tiny bit, because we're using everything else. So no waste here, really. And I have this little bit too, so I don't have to, because I want it 1/2 inch, so I don't have to really trim this one down. This was already in the kit. I can put that back in the box of goodies. So we're just going to pretend that I trimmed it down, but I didn't. And then we have this circle cut piece, and this circle is 2 3/4. So without further ado, let's get started. We're going to start by stamping the little birdie. The little birdie. I love this. I just love this. So here's my little birdie. We need to stamp it. And this is a scrap piece of the fruit salad from the last time I used it. I only need the bird's body on here. That's all. I don't need to worry about anything else for the moment. And I want to take Lost Lagoon, and I am going to do the little wing. And I'm going to add a little of color on his tail feathers. That's it. Now, I'm going to use Sahara sand. Yes, it's retired, but I kind of liked it filling in his beak a little darker. So you could use crumb cake, you could use whatever color, but I liked the Sahara sand. So now my little birdie is ready to get fussy cut, and I'll fussy cut that in a minute. But now we're going to stamp our circle, and we're going to ink up the entire stamp, and we're going to stamp it in the center of the circle. If I mess up, I just get another circle. I got 2 more that I didn't even have to die cut. It was already done for me. Perfect, right? And I don't have to do any coloring on there. All I did, because if you look at this one, I took my Sahara sand, and I'm just going to ground out my birdie. Some little streaks there, right? That's it. I don't have to do anything else to him. That's it. Okay, so we're going to set that one aside. I'm going to put, oh no, we're going to stamp our thanks. Red rubber, don't need the Stamp and Pierce mat. Ta-da, ta-da, that's it. Check, done. I don't know why I'm moving that way over there, but I'm looking for the cap for the black memento. All right, we're going to use this again, but right now we're going to fussy cut our little birdie. And I'm staying close to the outside of my bird. I'm going to go around his little beak. Let's cut that off. I'm going to go around his beak to start, and I'll come back to the in-between of it. And the little fin dog next door is having a bark fest. He's a Dachshund. That's what they do. I'm surprised Tia isn't going off. So I'm just going to cut that away. It makes it easier. For a minute there, Hank sounded like a chicken. He did. He sounded like a chicken. All right. So there's my birdie. Now I'm going to come in and do his little beak. And I think I want to add, I didn't remember on my sample, but give me a second. Hopefully they're in here. That's blue. I guess we can give our birdie a blue eye, a dark blue eyeball. Let's see what it looks like. These are diamond dots. We're going to put one on here just to see if these are, they might be too big. That does not look good. That makes him look like he's a fish. He's a bird, not a fish. So those are too big. So that's a no-go. But I tried. You know, I tried. Okay, we'll put that away later. We will put that away later. So now we're going to orientate this the right way. We're going to put this down before we stamp. We have our two birds. We can glue everything in place. This we're going to stamp on, so I want it that way. I think that is such a cute little stamp. It is so cute. Oh, so cute. So cute. All right. So, little birdie told me. Little birdie told me I needed 2 thank you cards. And now I have them. All right. So, we're going to add this one. And I want that pink strip up at the top. And I can't give you any updates today, everybody, on the helmet issue, as haven't gone to the hub. So there's no update on that right now. So let's go ahead and glue our little birdie to his counterpart here. And I think we will do a little coloring on the eye, since I'm not going to do... we're just going to add a little color there. We'll do it on this one too, since none of them are getting any diamond dots. None, because that did not look good. So we know that our little birdie goes over here. I mean, we could probably do them in the center if you did not want to do You're the Best, but I thought you could do this in the center, but I'm doing mine like that. A little birdie told me you're crooked. Oh, he's so cute. So cute. So now we are going to do some more stamping. So we're going to stamp on the back of this piece. We are going to stamp You're the Best. Black Memento. This is from the stamp set. Now we're going to leave that open, because now we are going to stamp the wee little birdie, the wee little one, down in the bottom with his feet right there. Then we're going to stamp the thank you, right? Oh no, do you see what happened? The black memento, I didn't check the stamp. Yikes. Oh, sometimes. Okay, let's see what I got. Nope, these stripes are going the wrong way. I'm wondering if I can piece that. Oh, I can. Look at that. I'm going to piece it. I sure am. Okay, so I am going to cut this off. I'm going to fix my boot. Let's cover this up before we make another boo-boo. So, let me see. Right there. So I'm going to cut on the pink line. That's why you don't throw things away. And we're going to cut here. And then that is going to cover enough of it up. We're going to do some paper piecing. That's good. I mean, it won't be perfect, right? Actually, I don't need all of this over on this side. But that is a good fix. That's a good fix. Fixed you right up, right? I should have probably taken that all the way down to the bottom, but that's okay. It's a Band-Aid. We made a Band-Aid for the card. And just like that, lickety-split, we have a card. We have 2 cards today. And, of course, we have to do You're the Best, right? So I am going to add glue and just glue it down. And then fussy cut it off. There we go. So there's card number 1. And its envelope, right? Now we could put some little baubles. 1, 2, 3. It does need those little, it needs a little something, right? So I like these. I do like those because they have almost the same color as that. So we're going to use these. I know they're a little bulky, but this is their moment to shine. And if I put them, let's see if I do one here. One there. And one there. Oh, much. Oh, so much. It's so much needed that. It needed it. It did. It went bye-bye. Okay. It did not want to play with us today. It's all right. Thank you for letting me know your true feelings, right, of the matter. It said, no, thank you. It did not want to be nice today. Right there. So there's my card. Ah! Yes. So you're the best. Thank you. Right? So that is my card. And these, I'm going to go ahead and keep these bits because you saw me just make a Band-Aid. I might need, oh, I don't think I have any more of this card base, but we'll just keep it nonetheless. I can use them for sentiments, for something. So outside, inside, and I have 2 great little thank you cards. I just am so excited. I love this little birdie, as you can tell. So much fun. So cute and so simple to use. So maybe you have something, one of your favorite really old stamp sets that doesn't have to be strawberries, guys. You can use these. You've already seen me make a Christmas card. Now I'm used, a birdie told me. So yeah, you can use these card bases for other things. So don't, oh, there's a little something there. No, now it's gone. Now you see me, now you don't. Little gnat or something. So I hope you like this one as well. I love sharing with you. So thank you for giving me your time. Thank you for commenting. Thank you just for watching because I love doing this. And I truly hope that I see you all here again soon in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.